Watu wa Mount Kenya, Bibora is back again with another banger. Right here in Kirinyaga County, we have this beautiful piece of land. As you can see, it's all greens and reds, and we love to see that, especially if you are looking for an agricultural land, you are looking for a fertile piece of land. This will be the perfect area for you. Just look at this. In fact, if you also want to retire from the noisy Nairobi, Kiambu noises, hizo makelele za huko Ruiru, na sijui hapo kunaitwaje Roysambu, this would be the perfect place for that. You can build your beautiful house right here and settle bila hata makelele mingi, bila issues or what not. You can tell hapa by this year, end of this year, December, January, mtu atakuwa na maembe. Oh my days. Sijui mbona mpigi simu tukuje tukule hizi maembe. You know, napenda maembe na season ya maembe. Kwanza ni hizo Christmas, the festive seasons is the perfect place. So if you want this property right here, the 4 acres, directly for sale by the owner. That means you are getting a great deal out of this property. If I was you, this property ningeibai jana. In fact, call us today on 0702 722 498 or visit our main office in Ruiru, Greg Towers, ghorofa 3 na ya 6. Kuja tukule makademi hapa, tukule mandizi hapa, avocados, all that. Bibora Properties Limited brings you all the good deals right here, you can tell. Hata si story za kujigamba, ni kitu hata wewe mwenyewe unajionea. Perfect area. Hapa kwa Waiguru anawaita, utaitikia wito. Bye bye.